In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an e-invoice in Zoho Books with this comprehensive guide for 2025. Whether you're a newcomer to Zoho Books or in need of a helpful refresher, rest assured knowing that we'll tackle each stage together. My goal is for you to not only complete the task efficiently, but to also grasp the finer points that can simplify future invoicing. To begin, we need to navigate to the dashboard within your Zoho Books account. Once logged in, the dashboard serves as your main hub, offering a snapshot of your business's financial health and activities. On the left-hand side of your screen, you'll notice a menu. This is where you'll find various options to manage your tasks. Look for the one labeled Sales. It's a comprehensive section housing all things related to sales activities such as invoices, estimates, and more. When you click on Sales, you'll be directed to a broader selection of sales management tools. Here, you'll want to select Invoices. This section is crucial as it allows you to view, create, and manage all your business invoices meticulously. Once there, you will see a button labeled New Invoice. Give that a click to start drafting your e-invoice. You'll then be greeted by a new screen inviting you to set up your transaction preferences. This is where you can tweak default settings to better reflect your transaction needs, ensuring that future invoicing is smooth and standardized. Once you feel comfortable with these settings, hit Save and Continue to move into the invoice creation form. Next up, it's time to populate your invoice with the necessary information. Begin by selecting Customer Name. If you've already stored your customer's details in the system, you can easily select from a drop-down. Otherwise, you can input new customer details seamlessly. Following that, move to the Invoice field to specify the unique identifier for this invoice. This step is significant as it aids in maintaining a clear tracking system for you and your client. If applicable, click on the order number box where you can enter details corresponding to a specific order. Ensure that these details are precise for optimum clarity. Now focus on the invoice date field. This date is crucial as it often sets the timeline for payment. Correct dating helps prevent possible payment delays. You'll also come across the salesperson field. If a team member was instrumental in making the sale, linking the invoice to them can be insightful for future reference. The following step is to fill out the subject field. Here, a concise description of the invoice can aid in quick recognition without the need to open the invoice. We then arrive at the heart of the invoice, the item table. Itemize each product or service provided, stating the quantity and price clearly. Accuracy is key here to avoid any billing discrepancies that could arise. Once you've meticulously reviewed all the details and are satisfied with the information, click Save and Send. This action finalizes your e-invoice and ensures it's sent directly to your customer's email. Congratulations, you've successfully crafted an e-invoice in Zoho Books. With this guide, managing your invoices will not be a cumbersome task. Just remember, practice enhances proficiency. The more you engage with these tools, the more skilled you'll become. Thank you for watching, and here's to happy invoicing.